So, how y'all doing? Today, we're going to work on the Poulan 245A. We're working on reassembling it so that we can get it ready for porting. And we're going to see what kind of performance we can get out of this saw. You're going to notice we got 2 cameras today. Just to make it a little more interesting, I guess, or make it a little more of a pain in the butt on the editing side. Which one do you think it's going to be? But hey, you know, I figured why not? Kind of gives you different angles, you know? So the one right in front of me is my phone. It doesn't have as wide of an angle as the GoPro, which is sitting here on my toolbox. So we'll see how this goes. Batteries only last like 30 minutes in that GoPro. So you gotta make sure you got a lot of extra batteries. But let's get on with this. Let's work at getting this all assembled. This is the first time but this thing is like a jigsaw puzzle, you know. I pretty much forgot how to put it together. It's been a couple of weeks since I've done this. So we'll figure it out, you know. We'll pull up some pictures and take a look or whatever if we need to, but we'll get it sorted out. Alrighty, so let's get on with the assembling this 245A that we're going to port for Simple Man. Alrighty, let's go. The question is whether or not I do this all the time. I just pulled the crankshaft out of the freezer and I want to see how snug it is. I'm just using motor oil, you know, just to make sure it's not dry when she starts. I should do this differently. So what y'all been up to? I'll start getting tired of doctor's appointments myself. They're getting annoying. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I'm starting to really dislike doctor appointments. So making gaskets is probably the most tedious thing about working with these old saws, especially whenever you tear one down this far. But it's necessary, you know. You can't help it. You gotta do it. Well, I want to do some grinding to this crankcase. I see some things there I want to grind on to help improve flow. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. I figured I better do it now before I get it all put together. It'll be a lot easier, you know. Once I get this gasket out. Well, my phone storage just went full, so it's kind of a good idea I was running 2 cameras today. So now I got to work at getting all this old gasket material off, and it's on there like glue. Boy, best method I've found so far. I'm sure there's others, but this is the best I've found. I don't know if you can see it in there, but there was like a nice little lip right here. So I got that ground out on each side, and I kind of channeled it up towards where the transfers would be. That's pretty much all I did in the crankcase area. I got to clean it up so I can keep putting things together, but so there we go. Hopefully we're good. Oh, it's alright though. Gave me a chance to clean both these parts up so that we can just keep on working. And I forget which battery is dead, so I'll just stick them there. Got it all cleaned up. Ground up all the sharp edges inside there that I didn't like. Channeled everything. Now, let's see what we want to do next. So, there we go. Rotate assembly is back together. Bolts are Loctited, everything's sealed up. I ruined the seal. I'm putting it together. I'll just have to order another. I'll probably order a couple of them now. I'm starting to like this saw. I have a feeling I'm going to build one or two for myself eventually, so I might as well order an extra, you know? That way I have it. Well, I think that's going to be it for today. I'm going to have to look up the IPL. I got a feeling I'm putting this together wrong. You know, it helps to have pictures. It was all blown apart whenever I pulled it apart, so I'm trying to figure out how to put it together, you know. So I'm going to pull up some pictures, figure out how to finish putting this together. And then I think the next time we're working on this, we're going to be pulling some numbers and getting into porting work. So, should be rather interesting next time, you know. She looks pretty good though. She's rolling real nice and smooth. I like the way she's coming out so far. Feels real good. Everything is nice and Loctited and sealed up nice. I'm pretty happy so far. But till the next time though, we'll catch you later. All right.